a few months, I think or so, since we decided to let things go. Been hard on my heart, cause I second guess every decision. I guess I regret not giving it more time to see if it was all just in my mind. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong. Been meeting new friends, catching up with old, but I think about them in a different way. Cause you're not who I'm telling them about. They ask if I'm with or without. Yeah, I just want to be sure that I don't want you anymore. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Or maybe I was, or maybe I was wrong. Yeah, maybe I was wrong. Yeah, maybe I was wrong.
Tonight I leave familiar for the great unknown. Got a couple broken arrows and my hair is grown since you saw me last, talking on an old flip phone. Today I shed the skin of who I used to be. Got Sinatra on a 45, I'm buzzing like a bee. Just hoping you'll come fly with me. Georgia, then a rental up to Maine. But how I hope for California in the spring. Tonight I leave the only home I've ever known. Got a couple $100 that I'm gonna blow on a used guitar.
I've been running all my days, and all my troubles have found a better way. And I've been trying to clear my head of all the useless words I never said. But oh, let's slow it down. Look at what we found. Hope is yours to take. Joy is what we make. Carried by sinners, lost at sea. Peace is found in grace. I've been searching day by day to find my way in this valley of mistakes. When I let go, I find my hope in the peace that surpasses all I know. Hope is yours to take. Joy is what we make. Carried by sinners, lost at sea. Peace is found in grace. Peace is found in grace. Peace is found in grace.
I still remember your number. Can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives and 4-6 hours in. In my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005. before we said goodbye.